Alright guys, so today's going to be an end of the day recap. It's Wednesday, July 2nd. The new strategy that I'm using is really working out well. It's a shorting strategy, shorting the small caps. It's obviously high risk, but it's also very high return. With proper entries, it's about 3 to 1 profit to loss ratio and accuracy of about 70% if you get the right entries. So I I had a big day yesterday that I didn't upload yet, but by the time you watch this video, it'll be uploaded. So going over my trades today, I shorted BLIN pretty much for the bulk of my. Actually, BLIN was yesterday. I had an $1,100 winner on BLIN yesterday. Today was ACHV. It's the same exact play. If you look at BLIN yesterday, it had a history here. You see all these price levels. It has a history of spiking up and just fading. So yesterday I caught the top over here and faded it. I actually got squeezed out. If you watch my other video, you could see that I was down $800. So I actually I blew up an account trying to do this, and then refunded it, caught it on the way back down, and ended the day green, luckily, on this account. And then today ACHV does the same thing. Historically it pops up and it gives it all back, or it pops up and ends the day red. So I looked for that again today. I was a little bit more cautious on my position sizing in the morning, which ended up really costing me. But this move is so big that even if you catch a portion of it from $5 to, even to 470, this is just a tiny window of this entire move. And if you go in with big size here after it tops out a few times and can't break $5, you can get in close to $5 and cover later on. Now I had a price target of this at 370. I think it's going to hit, but it also had a little bit of support here at 420 where this started, and then right where the candle started at 4, it dipped down below it, and then I thought for sure it was going to hit this 360, 370 level. It didn't. As it came back up here, I covered my initial position. So I was taking profits out in this 460 area. There was a 420 area here where it was consolidating, or in this 450 area, and then here was the 420 area. It bounced around a little bit. I wish I was more patient. If I was, I would have had about a $33 or $3,600 winner with far less commissions, but obviously that's just something I need to work on, maximizing the position. So I'm currently out of the position. You can see here ACHV short. I went for $950. I was taking bigger position sizing. I just don't really want to go through all the trades that I had because obviously there's a lot. But let's see, sort ascending. I got in initially at 933 at 539, but as you can see, my position sizing was really small. So if we look at the minute chart here, first position is going to be at 933. So here's 31, 32, 33. I got in right at $5.39. So it did go against me for a little while. I ended up covering that one right away, and then I got back in at 943 at $5. So it did end up dropping, but after it gave this big confirmation 42, 43. It was having, oh, I got in at the bottom of this candle. Oh yeah, this one I got squeezed on a little bit for 20 cents. ACHV. And then after it failed, 953, 951, 52, 53, I got in right here. I felt really confident on this. It had a kill candle, and it was already below $5 a couple times, and then it came back up and it was having trouble at this $5 mark. There was a lot of resistance, and that's when I went in, basically full size, for 1,000 shares. Now I covered way too early. Imagine if I held from $5 all the way down to to $4. That would have been an easy $1,000 winner without commissions. And obviously once it broke down to like below 450, I could even add 1,000 shares if I wanted to, and I could have made another good bit on that. But anyway, lots of trading, good profits, very easy system. I do kind of expect this to fade out to my target, which would be closing the gap fully, maybe at like the 370 area, 360. But at the same time, I was happy with this move. I didn't really want to milk it too much, so big gain on the account. Account's up to 16, a little under 16 once these commissions come out tomorrow. But 2 4-figure days back to back in this account, and pretty excited about that. So it means I'm paying for dinner tonight, and yeah, I think we're gonna go get sushi. So enjoy the rest of your day, guys. Thanks for the time.